This video is going to look at using inverse operations as a checking strategy or to find missing numbers. So here we have a part-part whole model showing a 9, 3 and a 6. And what this tells us is 3 and 6 equals 9 and 6 and 3 also equals 9. It also tells us that 9 minus 3 equals 6 and that 9 minus 6 equals 3. In this part-part whole model we've got a 46, a 25 and a 21. This model shows us that 25 and 21 equals 46, but also 21 and 25 equal 46. It also shows us that 46 minus 25 equals 21. And it shows us that 46 minus 21 equals 25. In another part-part whole model we've got 235, 115 and 120. This model shows us that 115 add 120 is 235. And if we do it the other way, it shows us 120 add 115 is also 235. It shows us that 235 minus 115 is 120. And it shows that 235 minus 120 is 115. What you've hopefully seen here is the inverse. So if we have 235 minus 120, we know that's 115. But the inverse, which is the opposite, tells us that 115 and 120 is back to 235. It's always the same three numbers doing addition or subtraction. Inverse means opposite. This is Steve. He's worked out this addition but he's not sure that he's got it right, so he's going to use the inverse to check. So Steve's going to do a subtraction because that's the inverse of addition. He's taken the numbers 788 and he's going to subtract 463. If Steve's got it right, it will give him 325. Let's check. 8 minus 3 is 5, 8 minus 6 is 2, 7 minus 4 is 3. Steve got it right. 325 is 325. Good job, Steve. This is Sam. Sam's worked out this subtraction, but he's not sure if he's got it right. So Sam's going to use the inverse, the opposite of subtraction, which is addition, to check his answer. Sam's going to work out 541 add 320. He's got his numbers from 541 and 320. If Sam's got this subtraction correct, his answer to this addition should give him 861. 1 add 0 is 1, 4 add 2 is 6, 5 add 3 is 8. The answer is 861, which is the number we have here. Good job, Sam. So to use inverse operations to check our answers, if we've worked out a subtraction problem, we do an addition. If we've worked out an addition problem, then we do a subtraction. Now looking back at the part-part whole model, normally adding these two numbers together would give us our answer. We have 63, but we don't know what this number is. To find this number, we can do the inverse operation. So we do 714 and we minus the 63. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 minus 6 I can't do, so I'm going to exchange. 11 minus 6 is 5. 6 minus nothing is 6. So our missing number is 651. So using the inverse operation, using the opposite, I can find missing numbers. Inverse operations means using the opposite operation. Add and minus are opposites of each other. They are the inverse. Times and divide are the opposites. They are each other's inverse. We use inverse operations to check our answers or to find missing numbers.